Nate OG in the lab. Just got done tracking out this tape. Trying to teach myself how to mix and master, so pretty much you get testing out the sound a little bit. So Adobe Audition. MacBook, as you can see. This is straight from the cassette joint that I was posting a mini EP on, but this is the full tape. And it came out to be about 20-something minutes. Got about 8 to 10 tracks. So hope y'all dig it. Free download. No individual tracks, just be a long like WAV file. So got the idea from J Rail's other beat tape that he dropped like last week. He did the same thing, and House Shoes did the same thing on instrumentals from Let It Go. So. Computer kind of lagging. Been on all day, so. But anyway, this is a demo, what you can expect. Hopefully, this sounds pretty good on and teach myself how to mix and master. So I catch y'all in the next vid. What up to my FB fam? Shout out to the whole city of Detroit. My homie FaZe, Fat Ray, DJ Butter, Miss Maria Yancey, Slum. You know what I mean? The whole city, worldwide. So, what up, though? Peace.